Ayan, nandito na naman tayo for another math tutorial. A distance of 16 meters is measured with a tape. What is the correct distance if during measurement it was discovered that the other end is actually lower by 0.8 meter? So, ang ibig sabihin niyan na nung original na nag-measure sila, 16 meter, ngayon, na-find out nila na ang other end is 0.8 meter baba. So, ibig sabihin, from the original, bumaba siya ng 0.8 meter. So, mapurma natin na maging right triangle. Ma-figure out natin eh. Kasi, sa straight line, tapos bumaba siya ng 0.8 meter. So, maging right triangle. So, ang mangyari dito, ang original na measurement nila is 16 meter. Naging andito na sa hypotenuse. So, ang straight line dito, ito ang hinahanap natin. The correct distance from A to C. Dinesignate ko yung una, A to B. So, ngayon, base dito, naging right triangle na ang ano natin. Kasi yun ang ma-figure out natin from the original. Bumaba na dito. So, naging right triangle. So, dito, two sides are given. Of course, we have to use the Pythagorean theorem, which states that AC squared plus CB squared is equal to AB squared. Substituting the value of AB, which is 16, and CB, which is 0.8 meter, solving this one, this problem, value will result to AC, which is the correct distance, is equal to 15.98 meter. Madali lang, di ba? Ang bilis. Basta alam mo talaga na pag makita mo na right triangle, ilagay mo kaagad sa utak mo na 99% Pythagorean theorem ang gagamitin mong pag-solve ng mga sides. Anyway, mag-try ako na mag-post ng more questions in a day kung makaya ko. Kasi malapit na ang board exam by probably July or August next year. Kung matuloy man ang board exam, so from now by October, dito sa Middle East kasi, usually mag-start na sila ng review by October. Hindi ko alam sa Pilipinas.